It's too late. It's too late.
Judy, Judy, Judy. It's bad enough you opened with a bang and hijacked the human rights video and its cause for your profit. You didn't learn much from that failure, did you? Don't think it escaped my notice that you did it again today. The day the WikiLeaks project video came out, you did it again. And you did it through Voguer again. And don't think it escaped me that you're doing it for profit again. Subscribership, viewers, ratings, potential money, more people that you can use to get more publicity for yourself. Well, you annoyed me, but now you irritate me. And I promise you, it's not your first mistake. You see, Judy, I've been collecting information about you, and it is such interesting information. And I guess it's not enough that I busted your ass on it several times in 2 videos. I guess you just need more. Oh, my lady, I will happily oblige you. In short, game over. Buckle up, Judy. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. It's too late. It's too late. Do you recognize my fingerprints on those Rubik's Cubes yet?